I'm good with that. The back of the bus.
Yes.
You know,
I'll go to
there's-
seat, toilet seat.
You can't say that. You could.
Yeah.
You're not
What are
black,
you
so
doing?
it's not that.
Okay, so for example, this point is at 2,1. If you multiply by 1.5, it becomes 3, 1.5. So that would be, whoops, can't move it. 3, 1.5. So that should be right there. Negative 1, 2 becomes negative 1.53. And 0, negative 2 becomes 0, negative 3.
You know.
Basically orange.
It's red.
It's a red orange.
Ready?
Oh.
That was a funny joke.
Orange is on a tin.
Oh.
We literally drank about this in our.
Okay, number 2. Number 2. Shannon.
Unlocked.
What if that was my 13%?
I hope it is good.
This class is
Nice
mean.
Nice to
My
know.
bad. My bad.
Like, oh my god.
You're not. You're
Guys, come on guys, have dinner.
Come on.
Yeah, 'cause you did the cough.
Coughing is illegal now.
You're-
Especially with you, and you're like dry, musty kind of. Well, no, it's not dry. It's like wet. You sound like you're like.
It's not my fault. I have allergies, okay?
That's
Like
like,
the allergies.
That's just an excuse. Well, you're an excuse.
Oh my goodness.
oh my gosh.
I hate.
Shannon is gonna be so sad for this, no cap for Toby.
Why would I be sad? I'm the happiest person on earth.
I never.
I'm so sorry,
Yeah.
Shannon, but this is
What do you
very.
mean?
Yours?
Yeah, you're the
Finish
evil
this
one.
Finish this sentence,
No,
yours.
yes, you are.
You know what? If I see a sign.
I hope a bus sees you on the road and
I'm
Decides to what?
Yeah.
What?
Do what?
Say.
they'll
Okay.
go around you.
Okay, 2, 1 becomes 4, 2. Negative 1 becomes negative 2, negative 2. We multiply by 2.
It kind of goes on my graph.
Negative 3, negative 2 becomes negative 6, negative 4. Let's see, where is that? Right there. And then 3, negative 2 becomes 6, negative 4. Kind of big.
Stop, they're broken.
You just got it smushed.
This is my arm.
Alright, floating away.
It's anyway.
Okay, last dilation.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my.
I can't lie.
We going.
Are we
I
in
am on
class?
Instagram.
Just Leah.
Big time dog.
Yes.
Yay.
That's on video.
I think Shannon would.
We should get Mr. Jordan to when.
You would have gone emo.
I don't go emo.
Girls.
Because you already are.
It's not okay to laugh about it like that.
Yes, it is.
Why is it not?
Can you stop?
I think Boris is the cutest one in the class.
Did you say that Forrest was cute? What did you say?
Yeah, the cutest one in the
I
class.
said Boris is the cutest one in the
You
class.
can't tell me he's not.
He-
No comment.
It is true that it's not
100%.
deny the facts. Donald Trump would say this.
Okay, so on this one we have negative 2, 3. And if you multiply those by a half, it'd be negative 1, 1.5. And negative 2, negative 1 would become negative 1, negative a half. And 3, negative 1 would become 1.5, negative a half.
Let's go.
We You should just look like a smaller version of the original.
Is there gonna be any like hard versions of like this on the test?
I don't know how you make dilations hard. There are harder questions, yes.
You don't know how to multiply, that's also.
Yeah.
Or you make it like dilation of something different. You know?
Yeah, I don't know.
Like one, like
That's
one
pretty
big.
smart. A decimal.
There are some questions that I'm a little bit concerned about, but it's not those. Okay,
Oh, shoot.
number 4.
There's more.
Why would there be?
Funny, because the story email, did you get that?
What?
What did the wrong email?
I got like 4s.
Bro, print something. Wow.
Force is probably like a diet Dr. Pepper usually.
What if it like diet kind of stuff?
My dad.
Oh.
I don't know that they will like it, but better for you than.
What about that one say that's like diet Pepsi has like more like stuff than Pepsi and it makes it like fatter for you.
Chemicals?
It is better because the diet.
Oh yeah,
is
diet,
more
diet
chemicals.
Diet, yeah. What'd you say?
Some diet things are like
Better
worse
for
for you
you.
though. Like
Diet has that stuff
trans
that's like
food.
no. Or you could just.
Well, they did a study and, yeah, it didn't seem like diet pop helped any.
It just makes it taste worse.
Like with your weight.
Just drink water
It helps with
Or
carbs.
drinks.
and then you're dead.
Or drink objectively the best.
It might be though, that's because people who drink
Yeah.
diet
You can say
pop
RC
will eat
Cola.
more.
Yeah, he thinks
What?
RC Cola is the best.
That's-
It's so weird.
That is.
RC Cola is so much
No,
better.
it's
Okay, so this one, there's not really any tricks to it. Left 2 up 3, left 2 up 3.
My grandma likes
Like
Diet
that.
Coke.
Oh,
And
then
she
you
said
said
Actually,
drinking
the
it.
best water
Someone
you can drink
drank
is
it.
lightly
Your
salted.
body because it
salted.
Excuse me, are you talking about
Okay, reflection across the y-axis.
Oh jeez, that's scary.
Bruh.
Like scary Larry. Oh my gosh. If you like drank like that like hand sanitizer stuff, could it make your like eyes like hurt really badly?
Try it.
That's really weird. I feel like it'd make your eyes hurt because it's like
You just throw up. I mean, unless there's like a tiny dot.
What if you had multiple tiny dots?
You get a metaphysical, it'll make you sick.
Test how much it takes to make it throw up.
worse if
I mean, it's made to kill bacteria, which is a life form. So if you put it on enough of it,
Gives you all the minerals
poison
you
dust
switch
too.
out back to your body.
okay, if you were made of pineapples,
But it
Something-
tastes horrible.
why did I think about pineapples? Dude, I swear. Someone could eat a pineapple.
Alright, so if we're reflecting across the y-axis, this point right here is 1 away from the y-axis, so its reflection will be 1 away. This point down here is on the right side, so it will reflect 1 away on the left side. And these points over here are 3 away, so they'll be 3 away over there.
The blue and the red look very good.
They come.
Kind of like
You know what? You knew it's not funny.
They look kind of like those like you know those popsicles that have like the blue and the red. And,
Oh,
like,
bomb pops. Yeah,
bomb
pops.
Yeah, the bomb pops. Those are like
Did you say Obama?
no
I said
bomb
bomb
pops.
pop.
You can,
No.
like,
I heard
basically
Obama
just
too.
like
Oh,
suck them
bomb
off the stick
pops,
and then like
like-
you just throw them away.
I heard
It's
Obama
Obama
pops. I was like, what?
I just heard Obama.
I said something
Oh,
really
you're
weird.
the
I'm so glad. I
Alright, this is one of the ones I'm concerned about. Reflection across y equals x.
Oh, this one isn't that bad.
Green.
Well, if you know what to do, it's not bad. But do you guys know what to do? That's the question.
Yeah.
That is.
I think
I'm
so.
incredibly.
It's like
I mean,
reflecting it across the y-axis, you know?
No.
It's not reflection across the y-axis, no.
No, I mean the x-axis.
It's not that either.
Grant, you're not
Y
exactly,
equals
Is it
N.
that
you're
one?
not exactly
Oh.
correct.
Oh, my bad, okay.
You're right, bro, this is
Oh
so
yeah, you showed us
easy.
it yesterday, it's like the flip.
Oh, great.
Like, I know what y equals x is.
You do? What is y equals x?
Wait,
It's like a flip flop, it's like.
You said it right. Well, you don't necessarily need to draw the y equals x line, but that is what it would look like. You could do it visually, like this point is like half a diagonal over, so it'll reflect half diagonal. But does anybody know the probably easier trick to do this one? Switch the what?
X and the Y.
Switch the x and the y
Yeah, it's a
values.
flip flop.
So if this is at 2, 1, its reflected point is at 1, 2.
Oh, wait.
It kind of looks like, wait, Eli, is this it? I drew it down.
And so this point is at -2, 2. So its reflection point is to -2. Right there. This one's at -2, -2. So if you swap that, it's still at -2. It's just right on, stays on the line. So anyways, the 1, 2, 3.
Don't do it, don't do it.
Dude.
Put it in Eli's ear. What?
Why me?
Because he's
Cause you're a
first.
ginger.
Because he's a ginger, bro.
Because you're the closest.
Eli,
Yeah.
your
He's also a
shoes
ginger.
look like Nikes, but sketchy.
What kind of bug is it?
It's a spider.
Eat it.
You should give him the Eli.
Spider.
You just gotta
Eli
climb out.
loves spiders.
There's a bunch in my garage on this one wall next to our fridge. And they just made themselves a home.
They found one, but I didn't become Spider-Man. Because you're ginger.
Shannon, do you remember how to reflect over y equals x?
I
Where's
not
the argument? Because he's cute. I mean, I'm not wrong.
You're a squirt.
So
What did you just say?
this is the line. This was the line y equals x. It's like a diagonal, but you just take the x and y value and you swap them. So 2, 1 goes to 1, 2. All right. Oh yeah. You had to move up
The
here.
way it fell down is kind of like that one thing. It's like,
Yeah.
All right. There's 7. I'm a little bit concerned about the rotations. Not hugely, but a little bit.
Ooh, I want to comb your ears.
What?
Wait, what?
I didn't say anything.
You know what, you need to just shut it down.
I didn't say anything.
No, at this point.
oh my god.
Why are you so mean?
You heard me.
Come on, man. That's
I can still feel you.
No one said you heard me.
Oh, I heard you.
Unless you're deaf.
I am back.
Shannon, any thoughts on the current political climate of America?
Do you think
No.
about that?
No, I'm just asking.
All I care about is my dog. Not really.
That's a lot more. Oh,
That's something else I
was
should
expecting it.
Or Nick
Yeah.
Both.
You care about your what, dog?
And Nick Koopman.
Oh my.
Yeah,
That's what I was waiting for.
He hurt his hand. Horrible thing.
I feel like people who say bad opinions should
That's
be
so
like
bad.
not having.
He's also having trouble
Grant, that's the
Okay.
because he's waking up.
Because it's your own.
So
It's bad.
if we're going 90 degrees clockwise, which direction should this triangle go?
That way.
Okay, kind of like clock goes this way, kind of up and towards the top, right?
You get that direction.
So the way I always said to do it is like if this point is left 2 and up 2, you move your head 90 degrees clockwise, just like my arrow is pointing, and just go left 2 and up 2 that from that direction. And this one is left 2, down 1, so if you move your head 90 degrees, left 2, down 1. You don't have to move your head, you can move your paper counterclockwise. That's like moving your head clockwise. anyways, this point over here, where's that at? -5, -2. So left 5, left, or down 2, so left 5, down 2, way up here. You guys fixing your answers?
No, I'm just like rubbing it in, like this. To make my hands.
Is it okay if I float away? Whoops. I didn't mean to put this arrow over here.
Oh.
Another, this one's counterclockwise. We need more practice on this one.
So it's
Counterclockwise?
clockwise.
The opposite
The
of clockwise.
other way.
Yes.
Yeah.
It goes the opposite of the clock's direction.
So it's like a counter.
Sorry, I just made an honest reaction right there.
My honest reaction. Actually, not my reaction.
Honestly, I think force was the best.
Bro.
Okay.
You get this shape. This shape.
I didn't get that shit.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Good job.
So right one, down one, turn my head, right one, down one, goes up there.
Good.
Right one, up 3, turn my head, right one, up 3. Right 3, up 1, turn my head, right 3, up 1.
Do you see that doesn't distract me? Okay.
Imagine if people actually were racist and
Okay,
weren't joking.
we good on that one?
I'm not joking.
Me.
Oh wait, that was the last graph section.
Wait, how is an Indian?
There's
Yeah.
There's like 24 in the
That was
test.
like
Don't tell
Pocahontas.
him.
Okay, so number 9, you don't need graph paper for this. Name all the types of symmetry, line, rotational point are the options.
Wait,
I don't see it.
do we draw it and then do it or
Huh?
no?
Wait, what does point mean again? Like it's the same?
It's still, no, it's 180.
Upside down.
If you rotate it 180, does it look the same?
Wait, does that first one even have one?
Keep
Well, I don't
bouncing
see
your
it.
mind.
It's like this.
It has one.
Yeah, I just said it has this. Yeah, I love this.
I don't know.
Do we say like yes or no or no?
Just like a list one, so, well, I guess that'd be fine for this.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, Boris.
Wait, so one is if you turn on it, it's the same?
Rotation is if you turn it at all, at any. Okay, does number 9 have line symmetry? Yeah, oops.
Dang, it's thick.
It was named for.
It's got 1.
What do you mean by that?
What?
Does it have rotational
What
symmetry?
do you think?
No.
No, it does not look the same.
Yeah.
Does it have point symmetry? No. If it doesn't have any rotational symmetry, there's no way, shh, girls, there's no way it could have point symmetry. Because it's basically a type of rotational. Okay, does number 10 have any line symmetry?
Yeah.
Okay, if you draw a line like right here, if you fold it over This is gonna be right here, not down there. Or same thing, if you fold it over this way, this flag will be down here, not right there. So no, it doesn't have any line symmetry. Does it have rotational symmetry?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. How far would we have to turn it?
180.
So it's point.
Does it have point symmetry?
Yeah.
Yes, because if you turn it 180, it works. Does 11 have any line symmetry?
No.
Rotation.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, yeah. Here.
1, 2, 3, right? So yeah, it has line symmetry. Split them in half. Does it have rotational symmetry? If we turn this, if we rotate it, does it look the same?
I thought you meant like if it turned
Yeah.
180.
So it does have rotational. What would the rotational symmetry be?
120.
What's the magnitude is the word they like to use.
120.
120 because it's 360 divided by 3. Does that rotation, does it have point symmetry? No. If you turn it upside down and rotate it all the way around, it doesn't look, this would be on the block going down, so no.
Yeah, that's like, no.
That's enough. Alright. Are we good on that, those three? Floating away. These directions are kind of wordy here. This clover thing is supposed to be like, or flower or whatever, it's supposed to be like perfectly even petals, so you gotta use your imagination, I guess. All these are supposed to be, you know, nicely drawn, pretend.
That flower looks like a logo for like a brand.
Looks like a butterfly.
It's like a 4-leaf clover.
Yeah, kind of just looks like a drawing on a smart board.
It looks like a
Yeah,
butterfly. I've never seen a butterfly.
You've never seen a butterfly?
I mean, like one that looks like that. I've seen like a butterfly,
Why'd you say you didn't see?
but not that.
Why do butterflies have colorful wings?
To scare off predators.
I don't think that's
Because
the
they
case.
used to be ugly, but then
Because
they
that's
Because
the way
butterflies
God
do
made
get
it.
eaten by predators.
dude, they put on makeup. That's how they became a
To look
butterfly.
pretty.
Yeah, because
To
they
get on
used to be an ugly
To get on
bird.
National
Yeah,
Geographic.
they used to be an ugly bird, but now they have makeup.
No,
and
actors
ugly.
and everything, huh?
I
Butterflies
know flowers are colorful because they attract, because they want to attract like bees and
Oh
stuff.
yeah, some butterflies are
Are they
colorful
all-
to like to make predators think
Yeah.
that they're owls.
That's true.
Some birds, I forgot. Really weird.
See them on. They're just on their tail.
Birds are colorful because the males are trying to impress the females.
Have you seen one like fans out
Yeah.
It's called a peacock device.
No, it's not.
No,
No,
no.
it's talking about the one that like
This
flips
is-
out to wing over its head and has really white eyes.
Oh yeah. You start hopping around and try to fall off.
Okay.
There's that other one that just inflates.
I'm gonna
itself. It goes like.
Let me scroll, get a few more in there. There's kind of 3 questions for each. Lines of symmetry, what is the magnitude mean again?
Yeah.
Good job.
What's the magnitude of the rotational symmetry?
How
How many
many degrees?
degrees do you turn it? And does it have point symmetry? Pretend the star looks perfect.
Dang, that's a perfect song.
It's not perfect. Yeah, I tried to draw Patrick.
Does that
I
make
tried to draw an airplane, but it looked more like a hammerhead shark.
that was so
Grant, get yourself together.
you.
No.
I was thinking you playing. The Twin Towers is so same sitting in bro.
Oh.
Wait, what are you drawing?
I thought it looked more like a hammerhead shark than it did.
Alright.
Now this is the tail.
I know,
Oh.
Wait,
so
oh,
now-
that was backwards.
Are those everywhere?
Hammerhead. Hammerhead.
Oh.
Oh,
I didn't know he had
I see
legs.
it now. I see it. I know those are
It's
Yeah, me
like
too.
a mermaid man.
It looked like a hammerhead shark to me.
I thought it was just plain neck. I was like,
The tail may be a little bit too big, but
that would work. That would work.
what is a tail?
A tail's
It
like
comes out and like.
it looks like this.
Maybe a little less, more like that.
It's like that.
Well, or maybe actually a shark tail is vertical,
Yeah, the shark tail's vertical,
So
it's
you-
like this.
so you can't see, you wouldn't be able to see it from overhead.
You should have just got the airplane.
No, that's after
Airplane.
the Twin Towers. Run out.
That's happy. You didn't put that.
Okay,
Covered
how many lines does number 12 have?
A
Do you guys know what shape this is?
octagon.
That's a pentagonal, Chris.
It is an octagon. So, it goes from vertex to vertex, but it also goes from the middle side to the middle side.
Oh, shoot.
That's mine.
So there are 8.
Oh, wait, I had it.
And then magnitude. How far would we have to turn it before it looks the same?
Like,
360 divided by
Oh, yeah, 45.
yeah, 45 degrees.
My favorite.
Does it have point symmetry like if we go upside down? Yeah, it does. Okay. This one, well, just like all pentagons, it goes from the point to the opposite side, so it's got 5. Let's see, what was I gonna? Oh yeah, how many degrees do we have to rotate it?
72.
You guys probably have this one memorized by now. 360 divided by 5 is 72 degrees. Does it have point symmetry? No, because if you go upside down, it's Patrick's legs are on top there instead of his head.
There's a SpongeBob.
Patrick.
I never was allowed to watch.
He got cut.
He was a starfish, okay.
He got turned into sushi.
do they even eat starfish like that? I thought they just ate the starfish raw. Like they should grill
What?
it and then they
Why don't you keep it alive?
they
and
just
cut
sit
off-
and then they just like
Either way.
eat it.
Who eats starfish?
Yeah, you cut off a leg and then it regrows it. And
Oh, I thought you just like slam it on like a grill.
If you
Like,
could,
that's a
if you
Krabby
have
Patty.
infinite food.
Okay,
Yeah, it's
so
a food glitch.
Isn't it like
on this one,
They-
the those definitely work. Do the diagonals work on this one? Yeah, they do.
Here.
So there are 4.
Yeah.
How many degrees would we have to turn it before it looks the same?
90.
90.
I did 90.
You said
I just stretched out the line.
Oh my god.
Okay, does that have point symmetry? Shh. Does that have point symmetry?
Yes.
Yep, it does.
Let's go.
Okay, how many lines of symmetry?
One.
Does it have rotational symmetry? No. If it doesn't have rotational symmetry, it can't have point symmetry. There's actually another one down here that I didn't fit in there.
Cows took a corn cob.
Is there ever a sugar that can turn past 180 degrees, but yeah,
Oh.
but it won't be 360?
Whereas
still.
you look like.
No. 180 is the
Is
max.
this the last one?
Yeah.
I say anything aggressive.
Oh my gosh. Eli, you're.
Bro moved on to Eli now.
Ed
Oh,
Sheeran.
I see like a dot on his leg. I mean, this like leg thing.
Why are you staring at
Why are you staring at my
legs?
Who doesn't stare at men's legs?
Me?
A lot of people.
That's because you're not a man.
No, what?
You wouldn't understand to look out for a circle on another guy's leg. That's not like.
What is it?
Yeah,
What
right
is
there. Yeah, right there.
What the heck is it? I think that's a mark from that. I
Oh
think
my
that's a
gosh,
mark
he's
from
been
the
branded.
chair.
Yeah.
It's
the mark of the ginger? Other than the hair.
Jared's got one somewhere.
It's a sign, he's the chosen one.
Or the
Not just the mark of the
unchosen
ginger. He
No,
was
spe-
chosen for the slime one.
no special powers, just,
one. Chosen to
You're
be
just
outcast.
it's like an innate redneck accent. It's just given to you on birth.
Dude, I have a-
Alright,
if you're bored,
does number 16 have line symmetry? Okay, if you draw that line and fold it this way, the flag would be up here, right? Or same thing, if you draw this line and fold it this way, the flag would be up. If you draw a diagonal, this flag would be like going this way. Well, actually, it's kind of backwards, but it wouldn't look like that. I don't know. It wouldn't be identical though. So no, it doesn't have any line symmetry, so ignore all those red lines. Alright, does it have rotational symmetry?
yes.
How many degrees will we have to turn it?
90.
90.
Because it's straight.
360 divided by 4. And does that have point symmetry?
Yes.
Yep, it does. Yep.
If you're raised in Mexico, but you're also raised